Parole is the early release of a prisoner who agrees to abide by certain conditions. Originating from the French word parole, the term became associated during the Middle Ages with the release of prisoners who gave their word. This differs greatly from pardon, amnesty or commutation of sentence in that parolees are still considered to be serving their sentences, and may be returned to prison if they violate the conditions of their parole. Alexander Maconochie, a Scottish geographer and captain in the Royal Navy, introduced the modern idea of parole when, in 1840, he was appointed superintendent of the British penal colonies in Norfolk Island, Australia. He developed a plan to prepare them for eventual return to society that involved 3 grades. The first 2 consisted of promotions earned through good behavior, labor, and study. The third grade in the system involved conditional liberty outside of prison while obeying rules. A violation would return them to prison and they would start all over again through the ranks of the 3-grade process. He reformed its ticket of leave system, instituting what many consider to be the world's first parole system. Prisoners served indeterminate sentences from which they could be released early if they showed evidence of rehabilitation through participation in a graded classification system based on a unit of exchange called a mark. Prisoners earned marks through good behavior, lost them through bad behavior, and could spend them on passage to higher classification statuses, ultimately conveying freedom. In an instance of multiple discovery, in 1846, Arnold Bonneville de Marsangy proposed the idea of parole to the civil tribunal at Reims. In general, in Canada, prisoners are eligible to apply for full parole after serving 1/3 of their sentences. Prisoners are also eligible to apply for day parole, and can do this before being eligible to apply for full parole. Any prisoner whose sentence is less than 2 years is sent to a correctional facility in the province or territory where they were convicted, whilst anyone sentenced to serve no less than 2 years will be sent to a federal correctional facility and will thus have to deal with the Parole Board of Canada. Parole is an option for most prisoners. However, parole is not guaranteed, particularly for prisoners serving life or indeterminate sentences. In cases of first-degree murder, one can apply for parole after 25 years if convicted of a single murder. However, if convicted of multiple murders, either of the first or second degree, the sentencing judge has the discretion to make parole ineligibility periods consecutive, thereby extending parole ineligibility beyond 25 years and, in rare cases, beyond a normal lifespan. In China, prisoners are often granted medical parole or compassionate release, which releases them on the grounds that they must receive medical treatment which cannot be provided for in prison. Occasionally, medical parole is used as a less public way of releasing a wrongly convicted prisoner. The Chinese legal code has no explicit provision for exile, but often dissidents are released on the grounds that they need to be treated for a medical condition in another country, and with the understanding that they will be reincarcerated if they return to China. Dissidents who have been released on medical parole include Ngawang Chofale, Ngawang Sangdrol, Phuntsog Nidran, Takna Jigme Zangpo, Wang Dan, Wei Jingsheng, Gao Zan and Fang Lizhi. Until 2001, parole in Israel was possible only after the prisoner had served 2/3 of their sentence. On 13 February 2001, the Knesset passed a bill brought forward by Reuven Rivlin and David Libai, which allowed the early release of prisoners who had served half of their prison term. The law was originally intended to help ease overcrowding in prisons. Libertà condizionata is covered by Article 176 of the Italian Penal Code. A prisoner is eligible if he has served at least 30 months of 5 years. In 2006, 21 inmates were granted libertà condizionata. In New Zealand, inmates serving a short sentence are automatically released after serving half their sentence. Without a parole hearing, inmates serving sentences of more than 2 years are normally seen by the New Zealand Parole Board after serving 1/3 of the sentence. Although the judge at sentencing can make an order for a minimum non-parole period of up to 2/3 of the sentence, inmates serving life sentences usually serve a minimum of 10 years. or longer depending on the minimum non-parole period. Before being eligible for parole. Parole is not an automatic right and it was declined in 71% of hearings in the year ending the 30th of June 2010. The parole boards in the UK are only involved in the release of prisoners with specific sentences. Indeterminate sentences are always handled by the parole board because they have no fixed release date. Some determinate or fixed sentences, such as